Okay, for today's assignment, I created a class that gets its model from a file automatically, and it also plays a sound when you tell it to. Um, Basically, all I did was I inherited from the public world object class, and then I did this um, return a pointer and created a destructor and all that, and have a couple other functions. Um, this whole thing here was super confusing um, because I wanted it. Or obviously, normally we wouldn't. I've never done this sort of method before. Um, I would just create a constructor. Um, so I tried to create a constructor, but it was giving me an error. Like, see if I delete this, it'll give me the error again. Said that after iFace had no default constructor, and it took me like a good little while to figure out that I just needed to do this. And I don't know for sure if this is what you're doing, but it works for me. And if there's a better way to do it, that would be super helpful to know. So just like what you were talking about in the networking lecture, you create a pointer, call on create, and then return the pointer. It's really not much going on in here. Just the path to the model and the sound that it should play. So let's just show that happening. Oh, and in here, nope, wrong file, sorry. Let's get to it. This one. Way down here. You just create it like you create all your other sort of inherited world objects, and do the same thing. Set the label, set the order, render order, and position. It's really big, so I had to set it like that. And then you just add it to the world list. And so let's do play. So I'll come out here, and it is super big. And that's with the default 1:1:1 scale. So I think maybe there was they did it in feet, and this is in meters. So everything's like 3 times bigger than it should be. Or maybe it's supposed to be huge. Who knows? And I think that these like leave things are flat and broad like that, so that you can map clear, or not clear, but basically like a 2-dimensional leaf with the the alpha channel turned up around it, basically, so that it looks like a regular leaf and can take up as much space as it needs, as much of that space as it needs. And then it's got the curve to give it some text, like to give it some dimension. Not sure if that is possible with the way it's done currently, but that's what I would guess. So, and then this is all done within the inherited class. I have it set to on key down, play a sound. So it's just felt like it would be appropriate to have the wind rustling through the wind, or the wind rustling through the wind rustling through the trees. So I don't know if you can hear that now that I'm thinking about it. Oh yeah, I have it set to capture the desktop audio, so you should be able to hear that. And then that's basically it. I would like to have done like it billowing in the wind, but I wasn't really sure how to do that, and I'm assuming we'll be talking about rigging or animations in this class at some point. So I'm just waiting to be able to do that. So thanks for watching.